Have you ever dreamed of meeting a truly friendly fish? A fish that seems happy to see you? Well, in the big blue ocean there is such a creature. It's called the Napoleon wrasse. Some people also call it the humphead wrasse. This is because it has a funny bump on its head. This bump grows bigger as the fish gets older. The Napoleon wrasse is a very big fish. It can grow as long as a small boat. Its colors are beautiful. It shines with blues, greens and purples. It is a true gem of the sea. This fish is famous for its gentle nature. It welcomes visitors to its underwater home. The Napoleon wrasse has a special reputation. It is known as one of the friendliest fish in the sea. Many divers and snorkelers share stories about it. They talk about how this fish is not afraid. It does not swim away quickly like other fish might. Instead, it often swims closer. It seems to want to know who you are. Imagine swimming in the clear water. Then, a large, colorful fish comes to greet you. This is the magic of the Napoleon wrasse. It makes people smile. It makes people feel a connection to the ocean world. It reminds us that the sea is full of wonder. This gentle giant has very expressive eyes. Its eyes seem to look at you with kindness. They are big and can move around. This makes the fish look even more curious. It is like the fish is trying to understand you. When it looks at you, you feel a special bond. It is a peaceful feeling. The Napoleon wrasse moves slowly and gracefully. It glides through the water with its big fins. It does not rush or seem worried. Its calm presence makes everyone around it feel calm too. Meeting this fish is an unforgettable moment. The fame of the Napoleon wrasse spreads far and wide. People travel to special parts of the ocean. They hope to catch a glimpse of this amazing creature. They want to experience its friendly personality. It is a highlight for any underwater explorer. The fish does not disappoint. It often puts on a little show. It might swim around a diver, or it might pause and look right into their eyes. This interaction is precious. It shows us that animals in the sea can be curious, they can be gentle. The Napoleon wrasse is a perfect ambassador for the ocean. It teaches us to love and respect sea life. The Napoleon wrasse lives in a beautiful home. Its home is the coral reef. Coral reefs are like busy cities under the sea. They are full of life and bright colors. Imagine walls of coral in all shapes. Some look like trees, some look like brains, some look like fans waving in the water. The Napoleon wrasse loves these amazing places. It swims between the colorful corals. It feels safe and happy here. The water in the coral reef is usually warm. It is also very clear. Sunlight shines down through the water. It makes the colors of the reef sparkle. This is a perfect place for our friendly fish. These coral kingdoms are found in warm ocean waters. Think of places like the Red Sea, or the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Napoleon wrasse needs a healthy reef to live. The reef gives it food. It also gives it shelter. The fish often sleeps in caves or under ledges in the reef. This keeps it safe at night. During the day, it explores its territory. It knows every part of its reef home. It is the king of its colorful castle. Many other creatures share this home. Small, bright fish dart around. Crabs and shrimps hide in tiny holes. The reef is a busy, vibrant community. The Napoleon wrasse plays an important role in its home. It helps keep the reef healthy. It eats animals that might harm the coral. For example, it likes to eat crown-of-thorns starfish. These starfish can eat coral, so the Napoleon wrasse is like a reef guardian. It also eats shellfish, crabs, and other small sea creatures. It has strong jaws to crush hard shells. Watching it search for food is interesting. It moves slowly and carefully. It looks under rocks and into crevices. It is always on the lookout for a tasty meal. Its presence helps balance life on the reef. Life on the reef is a delicate dance. Every plant and animal has a part to play. The Napoleon wrasse is a key player. Its large size and gentle nature make it stand out, but it is still part of the reef family. It depends on the tiny corals that build the reef. It depends on the clean water. It depends on the small creatures it eats. And the reef depends on fish like the Napoleon wrasse. They keep everything in check. When you see a Napoleon wrasse in its home, you see harmony. You see the beauty of nature working together. It is a world we must protect. What makes the Napoleon wrasse so friendly? It is mostly its amazing curiosity. This fish is not easily scared. When divers or snorkelers enter its world, it often comes to investigate. It wants to see what is happening. It approaches people slowly and calmly. It might swim right up to a diver's mask. It looks in with its big, intelligent eyes. It is as if the fish is saying hello. This is a very special experience. It feels like making a new friend, a very big, very colorful underwater friend. This curiosity is rare in such a large wild fish. The way it moves also makes it seem friendly. The Napoleon wrasse swims with gentle, flowing movements. It does not dart around nervously, it glides through the water. This calm swimming makes people feel relaxed. It shows that the fish is comfortable. It is not threatened by our presence. Sometimes it will swim alongside a diver for a while. It is like having a companion on your underwater journey. Imagine this huge, beautiful fish choosing to swim with you. It makes you feel accepted in its ocean home. Its peaceful behavior is truly captivating. This fish seems to enjoy interaction. It does not just swim by, it often stays around people for some time. It might follow a group of divers, or it might circle around them slowly. It seems to be observing them carefully. Some divers believe that these fish can recognize individuals. If a diver visits the same reef often, the Napoleon wrasse might remember them. It might come to greet them like an old friend. This kind of connection is very powerful. It shows that these creatures have awareness. They have their own personalities. Each Napoleon wrasse can be unique. The friendly nudges are another sign. Sometimes a Napoleon wrasse might gently bump a diver, or it might rub against them. This is not an aggressive act, it seems to be a way of saying hello, or maybe it is just curious about the strange, bubbly creatures in its home. These gentle touches are always memorable. They are a soft reminder of the wildness and wonder of the ocean. The fish is not asking for food, it is just interacting. This pure curiosity and gentle nature are why we call it the friendliest fish. It makes every encounter a joyful one. People who meet the Napoleon wrasse never forget it. There are so many wonderful stories. Divers share tales of the fish leading them on a tour of the reef, or of the fish patiently waiting while they take photos. One diver might tell you about the fish that loved to look at its reflection in their camera lens. Another might share how a Napoleon wrasse gently took a sea urchin from their hand. These are not just fish stories, they are true experiences of connection. These interactions touch our hearts. They make us care more about the ocean and its creatures. They build a bridge between our world and theirs. The Napoleon wrasse has become a star in the underwater world. It is a symbol of the beauty and friendliness that the ocean holds. Many dive sites are famous because these fish live there. People travel from all over the world to see them. This is good in some ways. It helps people appreciate the ocean. It can also bring money to local communities. This money can then be used to protect the reefs. But we must be very careful. Too many visitors or visitors who do not behave well can harm the fish. They can also damage their precious coral reef homes. We must always visit with respect. Sadly, our friendly Napoleon wrasse is in trouble. Its numbers are going down in many places. One big problem is overfishing. Some people catch too many of these beautiful fish. Another problem is damage to their coral reef homes. Pollution can harm the corals. So can warmer waters from climate change. When the reefs are sick, the Napoleon wrasse cannot survive. It needs a healthy home. It needs safe places to live and find food. We must work hard to protect this amazing fish. It is our responsibility to keep it safe. Conserving the Napoleon wrasse is very important. We need to protect its coral reef habitat. This means keeping the oceans clean. It means fighting climate change. We also need to stop the overfishing of this species. Many countries now have laws to protect the Napoleon wrasse. This is a good start, but we all need to help. We can learn more about the ocean. We can support groups that protect marine life. We can make careful choices as consumers. The Napoleon wrasse is a gift from the sea. Let us make sure this gentle giant can swim freely and greet us for many years to come. Its friendly face reminds us of what we must save.